Yep.
How many baby wipes are you doing?
2 baby wipes.
Let's just talk about this for once.
Leave it with him.
McLean! McLean, get out of there! Come on, man, come on! Come on, man! You see that? So you stopped her, right? You know, actually, having a gun to your head makes it harder to do this kind of work. What? You know, that goes to surprise. Can't just turn it off? Just lock them out when they're sure. I might need to slow them down now. Western and Central hubs are ours. We're just waiting on my end. Hang on, something's up. All the security's reactivating. I think someone might be in the market for some cheap Viagra. You should do some of that. You're going from bed, why don't you check out our sexy singles you can chat with. It's an E-bomb. Hey. Hi, talk to me. What's going on? Hi. Oh, yeah. Little Asian chick likes to kick people? I don't think she's going to be talking to anybody for a really long time. Last time I saw her, she was at the bottom of an elevator shaft with an SUV ran